I think this is a big hotel or vacation apartments. It's right on the nicest beach in Ajigasawa. I hear someone probably playing basketball under it. And that new looking building up there is a nursing home. And I think the hotel might have gone bankrupt already. And after the hotel was built, several years later, from the looks of it, the nursing home was built. Well, from the looks of grass growing up between the blocks here, I think it's probably out of business. Never been anywhere in my life that's similar to northern Japan. So many things abandoned, shut down, out of business. Yep. I mean, this is mid-July. Warm summer weather, and would be kind of peak tourist season. It's amazing. I mean, just a few kilometers away is UNESCO World Heritage Site, beautiful volcano, many nice things as security guard, I guess. Hey. And yeah, I mean, look at this. It's right on the ocean. It's getting cloudy now, but it's gonna rain tomorrow, but it's been a sunny day. About 30 degrees. I went to the beach just in front of here. The water is warm, feels perfect. See, pale blue sky. There's more beach down there. Such a pleasant little town, but population just shrinking and shrinking. Can't imagine if this part of Japan was connected to mainland China and it was all one country, it would be over flooded with tourists here, and you'd probably have 50 floor or more buildings all along the shore, which would of course completely ruin the place. I wonder what the long-term situation will be here. It's like, this is not built very long ago. Must have cost quite a lot to build as well. And very, very, very nice weather, climate in the summer here. Gets tons of snow in the winter, but for summer in Japan, this is way more comfortable than if it is further south, where you have high humidity, much hotter weather. Yeah, this is out of business for sure. You see on the other side of those poles, which I assume used to be a fence, that's a public park. So that's still maintained. The grass is cut at least occasionally. And yeah, on this hotel or vacation condo property, things are, so far anyway, being reclaimed by nature, and the population of the town is shrinking every single year. See, that's where I was at 2 shrines earlier today. This is a large volcanic mountain, goes up to 1,320 meters above sea level. So many beautiful places there to go hiking, and it's just 30 minutes from this town. See, here they have this it's like a protected beach. I mean, if they clean the sand like once a month, it would be spotless. It's just the budget for it is probably fairly low. And then you got 2, 3, 4 kilometers of beach that is, you see the building in the center here, that's a public toilet. But arcing behind that, going a little bit inward and then out and out to the point there. So several kilometer long, very nice beach. My estimation for the water temperature here today is probably like 26, 27 degrees. It's like perfect for swimming. When I was here earlier, it's almost sunset now. It's like, I don't know, 30, 40 people total along the whole shoreline here. Yeah, used to be some kind of fence, maybe made of some sort of wood that's fallen apart. No, I'm in the public park part that's being at least occasionally maintained. Here you can see the street that is facing the beachfront park. I bet you wouldn't have to pay a lot to buy a property or a house right here, even though you have a 60-second walk to be on the beach. See, part of the roof there fell down. Don't know if anyone is still living there, if it's abandoned. And this is, you know, way more well kept than the average street in town, since it is oceanfront minus about 100 meters only. Yeah, here you see. So here's that big hotel or vacation condo building, and there's the beach I just filmed. And then you have more beach there. You cross that bridge and you have several kilometers of beach continuing.